small village surrounded by lush rice paddies lived a hardworking family, Mang Cardo, an elderly farmer, Aling Rosa, his diligent wife, and Bunso. There every day Mang Cardo toiled in the fields tending to his crops, while Aling Rosa busied herself taking care of Bunso and their home. One day, while playing in the fields, Bunso noticed a strange plant he had never seen before. It was a small tree with shimmering leaves and unusual flowers. Curious, he asked his parents about it, but even they didn't know what it was, Bunso wasn't discouraged. Every day, he visited the tree, observing it and taking care of it. One morning, while watching the tree, he noticed a small hole in the ground beneath it. He took his small shovel and carefully dug into the earth. To his astonishment, he found a small pouch made of leather. He opened it and saw seeds of various kinds of crops, rice, corn, vegetables, and fruits. Bunso immediately told his parents about his discovery. At first, Mang Cardo and Aling Rosa were hesitant, but because they trusted their child, they decided to plant the seeds together. They planted the seeds in their field, nurturing them with hope. Within a few weeks, they were amazed by the speed at which the crops grew. The harvest was abundant, more than they had ever expected. Their field was filled with different kinds. From then on, Mang Cardo and Aling Rosa learned the importance of being inquisitive and trusting their child. They also learned that hard work and trust in each other were the keys to success and prosperity. And their lives became prosperous. The secret of the earth, the magical tree, and its seeds brought prosperity to their family.
This is the end of the story.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled.